Hi techies, are you facing about working with the AWS? So in this video, I'm going to show you create a volume snapshot. So we have the volume over here, data center volume is. So from the volume, we are going to take the snapshot. So that is our task over here. For that, we need for AWS access. So already I have a AWS account. So now I'm going to log in our AWS account. Then we need to performance our creating volume snapshot. So for that, I'm just opening for the Chrome browser. Open Chrome browser. So already I have access and console. I'm just signing in over here. Alright, so we just log in our AWS console. We can able to see multiple services available in our AWS account. So for our case, so I'm just selecting for the EC2 instance. You can able to see the volume, or you can come to search for, you just type it for the volume. So if you type the volume, so you can able to find out the volume features. You select it here. Okay, so we have the elastic block store. Under the elastic block store, so we can able to find out the volume name. So the volume already is up and running. So from this volume only we are taking snapshot. So I'm just selecting the snapshot now. So tick box here, and we can able to see the or the volume about details, and we can come to action, and we have a see we can able to see the create snapshot. Select the create a snapshot and bring the description name. So the description name is a data center snapshot. So you just copy here and you can paste it, then create a volume. So we have an option here, so create a snapshot. So now, okay, cool. So now we can able to see this status over here. Successfully create a snapshot. The snapshot ID here, once you select it, it will be taking through the snapshots, or you can select it here. Then you can find the whatever we created a snapshot over here. So the what we have a given a data center snapshot and status, you can see the completed, and we need to bring name of the snapshot. So for that, you just open the notepad, and the snapshot must be data center volume SS. So you just copy here and you just open and you can paste it over here. So now we have a successfully created for a snapshot of the volume. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you just like and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.